your backpack on me. And a motorcycle helmet. And a police vest. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know.
Probably me. I didn't shut all my doors.
I have not been that way, no. I have not been up that way, no.
Dude, there's a fucking backpack. There's a level 2. Aaron, what are you doing?
Chilling. What you doing?
Dude, you spectating us?
Oh yeah.
Where is that level 2 at?
Scare you?
Oh, he's in here!
Oh my gosh, come back down here! He's gonna kill me under the stairs, under the stairs.
Yes, the dude was just sitting under the stairs. I can see him. He's down. He's not. Oh, another one, another one. I'm down. Fuck, he's hit, he's killing. God damn it.
Just come in here, Keith. No, Keith.
Why do I always get baited?
Don't chase, don't chase. Come in here.
No, definitely chase, Keith.
Chase him. Kill him. Don't fucking pick Chris
Keith,
up.
he's up here. He's up here on me. He's up here on me. At the top of the stairs.
Chris.
Top of the stairs. He is on me. Oh.
He just put Chris down like a dog.
No.
He's in that room.
You shut the door.
Oh god, that's so good.
I got one more in me, leave, Keith.
Chris, shut up. Jesus.
Seriously, I got one more. Keith,
Alright, let's back out the lobby.
Alright.
Chris
I didn't
baited
know.
my ass.
Fucking, nobody checked underneath the stairs.
Yeah, I saw him shooting. I fucking ran up the steps.
You
That way we
ran
wouldn't
and let me
find him.
die.
You should have ran with me.
You literally. Oh my gosh. And
Yeah,
he
Chris
goes,
baiting.
baiting? I was crawling up.
Yeah, I come back to help your ass, and you fucking just let me die.
I was on the ground. I couldn't do anything but watch.
You were going, help, help, help
I'm in
me.
the lobby. We ready?
I am too.
Oh my fucking goodness.
Help.
I'm getting one step closer to the edge every game.
Help me. I'm down.
I've got to go to bed in like 3 seconds. Alright, good night. Please. Are you out yet, Keith?
Everything you say to... We all exited out.
I'm watching. Watching.
You got the fucking... I just... You couldn't fucking hit water in a boat. There's so much hostility in our squad currently.
Hit water in a boat.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, if you're in a boat, you're surrounded by water, and he's saying your aim is so bad you couldn't hit any water.
Thanks for clearing that up for him.
Yes, thank
No
you.
problem, man.
Keith.
I was really unclear about that one.